Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see about the most discussed and most advertised project, which is the biggest project of Godrej, and it is also a township. The name is Godrej MSR City. As the name, it's a classic cutting edge high rise luxury apartment which is located on Shettigere near Airport Road in North Bangalore. This township by Godrej Properties spans 62 acres of land featuring 20 acres of green area. So totally there are 4000 units available in 2 BHK and 3 BHK configurations. There are different types of floor plans and different types of price accordingly available at Godrej MSR City. Rise first come first serve basis, so rush to the place to book your own luxury apartment. So we have various configurations like 2 BHK, 3 BHK 2T and 3 BHK 3T also is available. The square feet starts from 1186 square feet to 1292 square feet in 2 BHK, and 3 BHK 2T it starts from 1585 to 1626 square feet, and 3 BHK 3T is 1842 square feet to 1876 square feet. There are various price ranging available in this project. So if you want the best price and best unit, please contact us on displayed mobile number. So now it is of 2 basement plus ground plus 15 floors. Totally it is a ultra luxury new launch apartment project which comprises 31 high rise towers in 6 buildings, each with 2B plus G plus 15 floors. So totally 1961 units over 19 acres are coming. It is located at Shettigere and it is adjacent to Bangalore Airport Road, a gated community apartment project. It is one of the best Godrej properties, and the township is close proximity to Doddajala metro station and Chikkajala metro station. Additionally, it is a 15 minutes drive from KIADB and it has easy access to Highways Road. A new project, it is a strategic location with easy connectivity. Mainly, when we are planning to buy an apartment, the first we see how spacious it is, and the next which we see was how it is connected to our school or our work area, so it satisfies all the needs. And if in case if you are getting a vacation, if you want to go to your hometown, it is near to highways, you can reach your hometown road very easily. That is one of the advantage in this project. Coming to the amenities part, we have gym, swimming pool, yoga pavilion, and kids play area, kids activity zone, mini theater, tennis court, indoor games, clubhouse, dance and music court, and 24 bar 7 CCTV monitoring, jogging, everything. So it has major highlights of this project, which is Godrej MSR City, is that good transport network, prime location, and growing social framework. Location is very important for the investment as it affects the property value and return on investment. So, by investing in this prime area with all the needed features nearby, the resale value of real estate properties will grow higher. So, coming to the good transport network, as I said you, we have a major bus stations like Muttugadahalli bus stand, which is only 1 kilometer away from this project, and we have metro station, that is two metro stations nearby. One is Doddajala and the other one is Chikkajala, and the major railway station, which is Devnali railway station, which is 12 kilometers away from this project. Prime location. Actually, this project has good road access to state highways, that is SH104, and national highways NH648 and NH44. So we have big IT hubs also nearby like Prestige Tech Cloud, Manyata Tech Park, IFCI Financial City, etc. And we have major areas which is Elanka, Devnahalli nearby. And coming to the social framework, nearby we have major hospitals like Trusted Hospital, Chiguru Hospital, and major schools like Harrow School, Chinmay Public School. And then shopping areas like Galleria Mall, Esteem Mall. So if you want to spend, and even we have Mall of Asia also nearby, which is the biggest mall. So you can spend all your weekends there. And access to the airport. The project offers quick access to the Kempegowda Airport through BK Halli Road. So it takes a short distance of 14 minutes to reach the airport from the location of this project. So coming to the metro station, it is just 2.4 km from the project location and it can be reached within 5 minutes. And access to the railway station also, though it is 12 km, it is an hazel traffic free road, so it is also very nearby. So Godrej MSR City location in Shettigere is a core highlight of this project as it is an prime location near the airport. Shettigere is the best place to invest or to live due to its untapped growth potential. With the expansion of nearby IT parks, the demand for housing in this area is expected to increase steadily. So, if you like to invest in this property, I suggest you, it is one of the best property for investment as well as a best property for us to live in. So, if you want to buy this property, we will help you out with the best price and the best unit. So kindly contact us for any further details which you require. And we, as I said, we have various variations of 2 BHK and 3 BHK. Kindly rush as the units are fast filling. If you visit to the site once, then you will find the difference. So how it is fastly booking. So rush yourself, book the apartment, have a settled and happy life here in this luxury project. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you feel this information is useful, please share it to your friends and family. Once again, I thank you all for watching this video. Soon, let us meet in this project, and for the best price, don't fail to contact us in the displayed mobile number. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching the video.